What is the mother in apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar with the mother is the unfiltered, unprocessed vinegar with a hazy, murky appearance. Due to the good bacteria, yeast, and protein it contains, it is used for drinking and has several health advantages. Apple cider vinegar is created during the fermentation of apple juice, together with a mother, a yeast and bacterial byproduct. Manufacturers add yeast to apple juice to cause the natural sugars to break down, producing alcohol, which is then used to make apple cider vinegar. The alcohol is then converted to acetic acid, the main component of vinegar, by adding appropriate bacteria. This bacteria contains probiotics, enzymes, and nutrients and looks as a hazy, spongy, or stringy mass. Do you use apple cider vinegar with the mother? Let us know in the comments. If you want more information, you can read the description down below this video.